Okay. Basically, what we are trying to achieve here is to enable our configuration so that our enterprise, which is our customer's company or our client company, our client company becomes operational in SAP. Okay. Now, to reach to that level, we need some information to be configured. For example, to create a GL account, we need a company code, plus we need details like, for example, let me show you. Okay, we need account group, which is part of chart of accounts. Okay, and of course, we will have the details in Excel file that this is a retained earnings account and this is the number. Okay, and then we need to introduce some control to that GL account first. Okay, so control of the GL actually dictates what currency it will have, what valuation group. This is for material, what valuation group this will be associated with. Okay, and whether it will be a recon account or not. Okay, and whether it will be open item management or not. Okay, then we'll have more controls. For example, for cash and bank, for field status variant. Now, this is the field status group which falls under field status variant. Now, what is a field status variant? Let me show you that. /n. Now, this fields over here, fields without this star, with this doesn't have any red asterisk. Any field without this means it is optional, but this is mandatory. This with a star is mandatory. This is mandatory. This is mandatory. Okay. So what I'll do, 2011 01, 2023 1101. Okay. 40, as I told you, is the posting key 30201. AA42 PKR. Enter. Enter. Now, these are the fields which are dictated. Dictated means, for example, let me show you. OBC 4 /O OBC 4. Okay. Now, field status was T59X. Field status groups. We made a GL account and we gave this general with text assignment. Okay. Or let me make it more simpler for you. Instead of this field status variant, let me find AA42 for you. AA42. Okay. Let me go back to FS00 and find out about this one, 30201. Okay. AA42 30201. Where is the series? 30201. Okay. 30201, petty expense, create. And it has G01. Okay. What I'll do, I'll make it cost accounts, double click, additional cost assignments, double click. Over here, cost center is optional. I'll make it required. But instead of doing this, what I'll do, let me do that again. AOBC4. Okay. AA42. Cost accounts, G04. Copy as G002. Cost accounts with cost center required. Okay. Double click. Additional account assignment. Cost center required. Save. Save. Oh, not in this one. Anyways, not an issue. So I will go back and over here I'll give G002. Okay. What it says, cost center required. Save. Data saved. Okay. Now what will be the impact? Let me show you. Right now, there is no cost center over here. Okay, in 30201. We'll restart this transaction, F-02. Forty 30201. Enter, enter, enter. Now do you see cost center required? Okay, this is field status variant. I hope it's clear now. Okay. Now you see more fields have been added. How? Let me show you. G02 cost center required. Double click. Account assignments. I don't want accrual object. Material number can be optional. PP order. WBS element, no. Okay, page down, because this is 1/6. So page down, network, hidden business area, partner business area, quantity, okay. 3, cost object, okay, all hidden. Segment, okay, page down. Partner segment. Service document. Oh, so field, okay. Partner segment, okay. Save, save, okay. Double click, real estate management. This is in blue. That means some options are still visible. So I'll make them invisible by suppressing them. Okay. Now let's restart this transaction again with the same details. F-02/n/n means new end session. 2023/11/1 enter, enter, enter. Now do you see the number of fields have reduced? We have quantity, we told them yes, we can see the quantity. Okay. Order, sales order, yes, business place. So business place can also be removed from G02 general data. Period of performance. Okay, fine. Business area some must be somewhere here, I guess. It might be showing. I won't want to see. No, I can see. Uh, Settlement period. Okay. So that is how field status variants make your life easier. Okay. Quantity. Save. If you start this F-02, enter, enter. Come on, enter. Okay. Now the quantity is also gone. Only assignment text is there, cost center is there, business place, and other fields are there. Okay. So that's how you manage your fields. Fields which are important for your business process can be made mandatory, optional, or removed altogether. I hope it's clear to you, Mr. Bilal. Now let's discuss something about why we are doing SAP, okay, so that we can know the importance of SAP, okay. Now, SAP ERP, why do we need SAP or any other ERP? First of all, automate, reduce manual footprint, reduce friction between departments, increase process speed, increase visibility, increase accountability in finance, inventory especially, and production. Increase alignment of processes and departments. And what else? Um, Real-time reporting, reduced manual entries. This is why we need ERP. Okay. So, thing is transparency. What a business owner has to see is transparency, ROI, speed increase, smooth operations, synchronized inventories, deliveries, GRNs, shipping, loading, unloading, sales orders, production orders, right? Yes, all these are achieved in ERP, but why SAP? The urging need of SAP. Okay. The urging need of SAP is integration between department is very specialized. Product costing, production modules in SAP is powerful, high speed and molecular. Okay. And customization is less. You cannot change the face of SAP too much. If you change it, it will be a mess. Okay. So more more customization means it's a mess. Customization is demotivated in SAP. Integration between departments, between modules is in SAP very powerful, which leads to transparency, data load management is powerful. Plus, visibility is powerful. But there is always some rigidity in ERPs, and SAP also has that kind of. Yes, it can be integrated with machines as well through APIs, middleware, using ABAP, SAP integration is done. Okay. Integration of any machine like POS, weight machine, weight of the machine, inventory, count, counting machines, barcode, okay, GPS, mail server, and EDX, and whatnot, anything. Okay. Yes, attendance machine also. It can be integrated. Okay. There are API endpoints that from both sides that can be communicated through middleware. The first company that started SAP was IBM. They were IBM employees, former IBM employees. SAP was made by IBM, but it was dumped. So these employees, five of them, took SAP in 1971, 72, and they took it to Germany. From there, it was a project in Germany, and from there they built SAP. And it was developed by five former employees of IBM. I don't know the story, but it was five employees who developed SAP in Germany. So this is how it evolved, and this is how it is now a growing software. So now coming back to our discussion, for an enterprise or a company, we need like T59X, okay, which is bulls and bears company, okay. For that, we need company, mother company. Number two is company code. A company code can publish its own financial statements. Three, we need controlling area for different currency reporting or multiple currency reporting, plus production, plus costing, plus profit center accounting, plus cost center accounting, plus what else? Many other areas. Four, sales org, plant, five, division, distribution channel, location, storage, location, okay. Six, sales areas, which is a combination of sales office plus distribution channel plus division plus, yeah, and sales org, okay. Then we need purchase org also plus location, okay. So these are some of the things we have to maintain, and all this is called enterprise structure. This is the structure of this company, and that will define how this company is operating. Okay. And yes, in profit center accounting, now, for example, profit center accounting. What is profit center accounting? If you look at sales org and sales areas, so profit center accounting will be sales office or distribution channel. Distribution channel is city or a region. Okay. So your profit center can be distribution channel or a sales office or whatever, or a sales area. Okay, your sales area can be your sales area, can be your profit center. So they can be multiple sales areas. Okay. Coding and language is ABAP. Okay. Database is S4HANA, which is developed by SAP itself. And accounts and finance is the backbone of SAP. Okay. So that's why we can have a very powerful segment reporting based on sales area. Okay. So it was necessary that we had this discussion. I will show you how to access this enterprise structure. I'll just go over that because, of course, today we've just discussed what is the basic structure that we are going to follow. Okay. I will just copy this and post it in the discussion area. Okay. So that you can keep notes. Mm, okay, it's not working. Relog this. I hope it's clear now. Yeah. जी समझ में आ गया क्लियर